Okay, so we have a question with regards to smart flowing onto a surface, and I'm assuming we're going to need to smart flow on the insides of these inset areas here, possibly this area here too, but you know, whichever way you go, this method should work for both. The first thing that we need to do is we need to extract some surfaces. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my solid menu and I'm going to hit extract surface, and I want to extract this particular surface here. Just want to make sure that it is the correct surface, which it is, and hit enter. And what I like to do before I do anything else is I like to duplicate this surface. So I'm going to hit duplicate and just hit in place, and now I'm going to pop that onto a different layer color. And it's only my personal opinion, but I always like to, once I'm finished extracting my surfaces, just select all of my green guys there and then just rejoin them, just to make sure that it's all one closed poly surface, and that's what we want. So alright, now we've got that there. We're going to just hide that green layer, and I want to go to a tool in my curve menu, and it's on the second level of my curve menu called create UV curves. So I'm going to select that, and it's going to ask us to select our surface, which is this guy here, and then hit enter. And we've got basically these curves here, and this is going to form the basis of our base surface. Now I'm using version 8 at the moment, and it shouldn't be too much different to version 7.5. If there are any little differences that you can't quite work out, just let me know and we'll go from there. The next thing that we need to do is we're going to go to our surface menu. I'm just going to select this and just put it onto a different layer color. The red one will be fine. And we're going to go to planar curves and just select this outside curve here and hit enter, and that's therefore our base surface. So now when we go to our transform menu and select smart flow, we can select our base surface, which is here, select our target surface, which is there, and in version 8 it gives you these alignment handles here. You've got to make sure obviously that you know, the yellow is obviously facing up and facing outwards, and as everything is here, that's all good. We can hit enter, and that's going to give us one of these. So that there, I'm going to delete. Alright, so now we should be able to grab anything, and we have, let's put that onto a different layer color. You know, we can select what we need, and that will obviously transfer across. And because we've got this this guide, I guess this curve here is a guide, you know, we can create and flow whatever it is that we need to flow on there, and everything should be okay. Now if you find, like here, these are all elongated, they're not perfectly round like these ones here are, we can always go into our smart flow rigid and we can select the objects that we want to make rigid, and that will transfer those across. Theoretically enter, oh, the objects, okay, let's try that again. So that, and that. There we go. So I made a mistake. That one there. There we go. And that one there. There we are. That's better. Alright, so I hope that helps. If you've got any further questions, or if I haven't quite answered your query, please let me know, and we'll go from there. Hope that helps.